Hello, we're here at Semicon West in Phoenix. I am with Mark Ritzheimer of Advanced Energy, who is nice enough to spend a little time with us to show us some new products. We're very interested, so listen close.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, glad to talk about it. So what we have here are a couple of different products and kind of two different types of product family. So this product and this product measure temperature, and it's intended that you can measure high temperatures on a wafer, measuring from a couple hundred degrees up to about 1,000 degrees using a mid-IR pyrometer. And then we also have highlighted here an FOT, a floor optic temperature, a similar technology from pyrometers, but allows us to go very low in temperature. So even down into the -50, -100 C for cold temperatures like cryo etch. And then we also have one more product here, which is called an SCR power controller. So it delivers power for control of something like lamps that you would use in a lamp heated process, such as epi is probably a great example of that.
Okay. All right. You gave a really interesting example about how this takes individual temperature measurements. Can you explain that?
Correct. So for our customers, of course, there's heating going on. It could be lamp-based. It could be different types of resistive heating going on, and that's all happening around. But our customers understand that every wafer, depending on the process and what's happening, could be heated differently. So our customers want to measure the wafer directly. So we provide the equipment. This is usually sitting outside, and it gives the exact temperature of the wafer as much as possible in every situation. And then that allows our customers to actually implement real-time feedback. They monitor this temperature, and then they modulate everything in the chamber accordingly.
Okay. And your customers are looking for precision and accuracy,
Correct.
among other things, but probably first and foremost.
Correct.
What can you say to that?
Yeah, good question. So yeah, for sure. As the devices change, as temperature budgets and say thermal budgets get smaller and smaller, our customers are asking for stuff that's even more precise. So the predecessor to this model, as an example, we could offer plus or minus 5C within the given range. Our customers are asking for more. This right now is coming out with an industry-leading plus or minus 3 degrees for certain wavelengths, which is about a twofold improvement in that resolution. And we're continuing, evolution, step by step with each product to get closer and closer to that plus or minus 1C, which is what our customers want.
Okay. Wow, that's unheard of. So I know we don't have a lot of time here, but is there anything that you'd like to mention that we haven't touched on so far?
Yeah, another good question. I think for us, we're really focused on delivering an entire solution. So not just data, but we're actually trying to take that data, provide useful information such that our customers can control their process even more precisely. And that's going to result in better quality, yield improvements, less downtime, things like this. So we're really focused on that entire experience, not just the hardware itself.
Okay. Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for your time, Mark. We appreciate it. It was nice meeting
Oh,
you.
likewise. Thank you.
And thank you for watching.